Namaskar. Today we learn how to draw fixture in league and round robin tournament. This is the third part of our first video, that is planning in sport. Okay, let's start with the fixture. Here we are having three methods of drawing fixture, that is cycling, staircase and tabular method. In CBSE, this tabular method is not of importance, so we'll discuss cycling and staircase method. However, if someone is interested in learning tabular method, they can inform me in the comment below and we can have a separate video for the tabular method. Let's start with the cycling method. In cycling method, we can have two type of fixture, that is with bye and without bye. Whenever there is even number of team, there will not be any bye, but whenever there is odd number of team, there will be a bye fixed on the top right corner, and every time the cycle will move in a clockwise direction. Let's start with even number of team. For even number of team, total number of round will be n-1, while for odd number of team, total round will be n. Here n stands for the number of team itself. Now the next concern is number of matches. But total number of matches will remain same for both even and odd number of team, and the formula for total number of matches is n into n-1 by 2. Suppose our total number of team is 8, then total number of matches will be 8 into 8 minus 1 by 2, that is 28. You can solve the equation in step. Now let's move on to the fixture direct. First, we'll learn the fixture for even number of teams. As you know, in even number of team, there will be no byes. So, let's assume the total number of team is 4. Therefore, total matches played will be 4 6 matches. Now total number of rounds will be 3 rounds. Now come to the fixture itself for round 1. This is round 1. Here we will fix the top right hand team, that is 1. In case of even number of team, always this 1 will be fixed in the top right corner. Then comes 2, then comes 3, then comes 4. Now in the second round, this 4 will shift below number 1. That is, 1 will remain fixed, then comes 4, then comes 2, then comes 3. This is the second round. Means in the first round, 4 will play versus team 1, 3 will play versus team 2. In the second round, 3 will play versus 1 and 2 will play versus 4. In the third round, the 1 will remain constant, but 3 will come down to number 1. This is 3, this is 4, and here we are having 2. So here 2 will play versus 1 and 4 will play versus 3. So total we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 matches and 3 rounds. This is the example when we are having even number of teams. Now let's assume our total number of team is 5. If our total number of team is 5, then we will have 5 rounds. So bye will be fixed. This is the bye in round 1. It will be fixed at the top right corner. Then comes team 1, then team 2. Here we will write team 3, team 4 and team 5. Means at first 5 will get bye in the first round, and in the first round 4 will play versus 1 and 3 will play versus 2. In the second round, bye will remain constant at its place and 5 will come down to the place of 1. 1 will shift downstairs and here we will have 2, 3 and 4. In the second round, 4 will get bye, 3 will play versus 5 and 2 will play versus 1. In the third round, bye will remain constant while 4 will shift below bye, then comes 5, then 3 will get bye, 2 will play versus 4, 1 will play versus 5. In round number 4, bye will remain constant, then 3 will come below bye, then comes 4, then comes 5, then comes 1, then comes 2. This is round number 4. Here 2 will get bye, 1 will play versus 3 and 5 will play versus 4. In the fifth round, 2 will come down to bye. Here is bye fixed on the right, then it comes 2, then it comes 3, then 4, then 5, 1. Here 1 will get bye, 5 will play versus 2 and 4 will play versus 3. This is the fixture for odd number of team. Now comes to the staircase method. This is the most easiest method of this round robin or league tournament. Because there is no byes. Number of teams, total number of matches. Total number of matches remains same, that is n into n minus 1 by 2. It is as like as in cycling method. In case of total number of rounds, it is always n minus 1, means total number of team minus 1. For drawing a staircase method, we must remember the shape of a staircase. Means if this is the baseline, a staircase moves like this. This is the shape of a staircase. Now, how to draw staircase method? Suppose we are having 5 number of team. Total team 5. We are having 5 teams. So, therefore, total round will be 5 minus 1, that is 4. If there is 4 rounds in round, since total number of team is 5, total number of rounds will be n minus 1, that is 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the first round there will be 4 matches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means one will play versus 2, one will play versus 3, one will play versus 4 and one will play versus 5. In round 2 there will be one less match than round 1, that is 3 match, and we will start with 2 and 2. Means round 2 is starting with number 2, team number 2. 2 will play versus 3, 2 will play versus 4, 2 will play versus 5. In round 3 there will be only 2 match, means one less than round 2, and in round 3 we will start with number 3. 3 will play versus 4 and 3 will play versus 5. In round 4 there will be only one match, that is 4 will be playing versus 5. 4 will be playing versus 5. Once we have learned the fixture, it's time to decide the winner. For deciding winner, there are some points to be remembered. That is, for winning a match, the winning team will get 2, for get 0. For winning a match, the winner will get 2. For draw, each team will get 1, and for losing, there will be no point, means 0. Now, there are 2 methods, British method and American method. In British method, there are 2 things in concern, that is, total possible points means if total number of matches were suppose 10, then 10 into 2, 20 is the total possible point. And suppose the team has won 5 matches out of 10, then total points of 10 will be 5 into 2, that is 10. British method is total points obtained divided by total possible points into 100. And in case of American method, total matches won by total matches played into 100. This is the American method. Well, that's all for today. For rest of the chapters, that is intramural, extramural and other sports days, important sports days, I have attached a PPT in the description box. Please go through that PPT. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, eat fresh, stay safe.